How to add delivery option in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add delivery option in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can choose the website you want to add the delivery option, and then in this dashboard, you can go to settings, this one on the website. And then, as you can see, this is the general settings. For the delivery option, you can go to selling. And then if you scroll down, you will find, a lot of option here. We're gonna go to local delivery here. You can click it. And then, as you can see, allow customers to purchase and receive their orders without the need to visit physical stores. You can just click add delivery option here. And then you can choose the country, maybe United States, for example. United States. And then for the zip code, it's up to you. I mean, based on your address, and then you can fill other information here, delivery information, a delivery name, and then the uh, delivery rate, also the delivery information. After that, you can just click save, and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.